Hey everyone, I'm Richard from Zappos.com, and this here is the original Kids rain boot. It's from Hunter Kids. The outer shell of these boots here is made out of that really lightweight and super sturdy material to keep their feet protected from the outside rain. It's of course waterproof in its design and vulcanized, so it's going to be incredibly flexible. Keep their feet moving so they can run around and play in that rain. Got some reflective hits here around the back to give low light visibility, which is always important for safety. Got that little decorative buckle there around the top, which looks nice and spiffy. The inside is lined with a really comfortable textile material to keep everything breathing and cozy, with good cushioning down in that footbed as well. You got that tread here on bottom that'll help keep them steady on all those rainy conditions. Keep their feet protected from that rain with these spectacular boots here from Hunter Kids.